All right, today I'm making some tacos. What kind of tacos? Birria tacos. Now you might be asking, what the fuck is a birria? Well, some garlic, onions, spin the onion. You have to do that. A little bit of lime. Dried chilies. We're doing ancho, arbol, and guajillo chilies. Regular tomato. I just went for the vine ones. Okay, so let's just get everything ready. We're just gonna cut everything up into quarters. Kind of big chunks. Peel that garlic. Little tip: if you crush it with your palm, it's a lot easier to get that little skin off. Garlic foreskin. Pop off the stems on those dried chilies. I'm gonna leave the seeds in there too. You know what I'm saying? A little. All right, we got some cloves, some cumin seeds, oregano, black peppercorns. You know, all the good stuff. In a big old pot, you're gonna do medium heat. Avocado oil. Drop the onions and the garlic in there. Get a little bit of char on the edges. Letting them sweat. Once I have a little bit of color on them, I'm gonna drop in these dried chilies and the spices, and we're just gonna let it toast for a second, okay? Just till it's fragrant. You don't wanna overdo it right here. Okay, I'm putting in 6 cups of water. I just made that up. I don't know if it's 6 cups. It's just enough to cover the beef. A couple pinches of salt. You got a nice little mix. And for the meat, okay, big old slab of chuck. Cut it up into 4 pieces, you know, just enough surface area to give them a good sear. Season that with salt and pepper generously. Flip that bitch. Do it again. All right, we're gonna squeeze in a little baby lime.
A baby.
A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Kind of looks like a lot because it's in slow motion, but it's probably like 2 tablespoons. You're gonna bring it up to a boil real quick and just let that simmer. And then while that's going, we're gonna make some fresh tomatillo salsa. So we got some tomatillos, cilantro, avocado, garlic, and serranos. have to cut anything too crazy because we're throwing it in the pan anyway. Medium heat, a little bit more avocado oil, and just gonna char these till they got a little bit of color on them. Those little babies are dancing. Once it's got a nice little char on it, throw everything in the blender. Shout out to Daddy Trevor for showing me this recipe. Blend it all up, and bam, some juicy salsa. All right, beef should be done in about 3 hours. All right, so once all the dried chilies and the garlic and all that stuff has gone flaccid, I'm gonna separate the beef and then everything else. You take everything out except for the beef, the chilies, onions, garlic, spices, all that stuff. I'm gonna throw it in the blender. And then throw in a little bit of that juice. Throw it all in there and blend it till it's smoother than my brain. Yeah, you got a smooth brain. So what? See, now the trick here is, see how the sauce is just bouncing up and down? See, it's actually a chemical reaction, and it's bouncing up and down because it's excited that it's about to taste so good. We're gonna pour it back into the pot. Look at that shit. It kind of looks like shit, but not once you mix it. It's gonna be great, trust me. All right, beef back in. We're gonna dice up an onion and cilantro. Using them later, so yeah, we're good to go. Now I'm using Monterey Jack cheese, but you should definitely use Oaxaca cheese if you have it. Look at that beef. Look at that beef. She's dripping. Damn boy, that beef is thick. All right, just pop that in a bowl real quick, shred it up. And it should be really easy to shred. If it's not easy to shred, just, it's probably not done yet. So don't be fucking around. You take a little bit of that sauce that we just made. We're gonna top it with some onions and cilantro. All right, and here's where the magic happens. We're gonna take the juice, you're gonna dip a corn tortilla in that, a minute or two on each side. I'm gonna drop some of the cheese on there with the beef. Then we're gonna close them, and bam, almost there. Home sweet home, baby. God, I love you. God damn. Look at that shit. I'm not fucking around over here. This is some good shit. I'm just kidding. I'm fucking around a lot of the time. So we're gonna get some onions and cilantro, open them back up like a taco surgeon, put them back in. God damn, look at those fucking tacos. I'm busted nut just looking at these things. They're screaming at me. Anyway, we're gonna dip them back in that sauce. Is that magic sauce that we saved on the side. And then when you get tired of the sauce, try that fucking salsa. And that's it. That's how you make the birria tacos.